Here I have XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant feature to the power button on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the settings, then the additional settings, button shortcuts, launch Google Assistant. Unfortunately, you can't link Google Assistant only to the power button, but you can only to power plus home, power plus menu, power plus back. Let's set it to be, for example, power plus menu. And as you can see, that's how I can summon the Google Assistant right now. You can set it to, for example, power plus back, like this. But unfortunately, you can't link it only to the power button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.